Hello and good morning everyone. Once again welcome to the online class. We are going good with the online class. Hope you are participating it with good enthusiasm. Hope you are just taking keen interest in your assignment and working properly with the video lesson explanation. I have given a video over the poem, a video over the poem summary and given two assignments which were supposed to be done by all. But if you are not doing it, not taking interest to it, just coming and listening to the video, voice messages, then what will be the meaning of going online to teach you? So I'll suggest you that please go through the assignment, make it, give it to me, to my mail ID or in separate chat. Because if you are not doing so, not submitting your assignment, then I will remove you from the group, because it will become meaningless of your presence in the group. So properly be the part of the group online teaching learning process. Give your assignment regularly and kindly go and understand the video thoroughly. At last, I would like to mention that you can make your audio or your assignment work instead of writing it. Record in your voice and send it to me on my email or to the separate chat. As I have told you that we have discussed about the poem summary, and we have finished some of the exercises also. Today we will continue from the exercises, find out and write a report. Yes, here is a report given there on Uncle Lal's farm. Father took me to visit Uncle Lal's dairy farm. I saw all of Uncle Lal's cow. He has 50 cows. They eat grass in the big green farm. In evening, the farmer brings them to the barn to be milked. Uncle Lal sells his milk in the city. So you have seen the a children is telling to his father about the Uncle Lal's farm. He had seen what he has seen. He is telling all the things. So when writing a report, remember today these are the report. He was telling a report about the Uncle Lal's farm. So you guys also have to write a report. First I will explain you what are the things important when you are writing a report. When you are writing a report, remember to these things. First, think of a good title. Yes, title must be a impressive one. Write it correctly. Keep to your subject. Means here in, for example, Uncle Lal's farm. Children is telling about Uncle Lal's farm. Here in the example, the report is on Uncle Lal's farm. So it is a title and it was like connected to the subject. Third one, telling things in the right order, and you have to tell it in a very right order. You can't tell like first one is here and after that you will tell the third one. No, letter by letter, step by step you have to make in right order. Make your paper look neat. That is the most important thing when you are writing a report. So in a group of 4, write a report on different brands of ice cream available in your area. Where you are living, in your area, ice cream is available obviously. So you have to write a report on the different brands of the ice cream. You may use these following clues. Start with a short introduction which contain the topic. As for in example, the heading is Uncle Lal's dairy farm. Uncle Lal's farm. Like that you have to write a good report, good heading, good title about the ice cream brand which are available in your area. Second one, then list the ice cream brand available in your area. What are the brands available in your area? Third, next say which are the common flavors of ice cream in each of the brands. In each of the brands, there must be a common flavors like Vadilal, like so the ice cream brands like Quality Walls, Creamwell, Dairy Queen, Vadilal, Nestle, these are the brands. There must be some common flavors in this. Next one, under each brand, find out which flavor are being sold the most. Also find out their prices. So you have to find out the prices and which are very common, very popular in all the flavors. Finally, write which do you think is the most popular ice cream, and according to that you will find which ice cream is most popular among the people. Next one is word building. Color the boxes that have rhyming words. Rhyming words means that sounds same. City and cart, these are not rhyming. Heat and street, these are rhyming. Blows and goes, these are rhyming. Do, go, rhyming. Yard, hard, rhyming. Bowl, doll, these are not rhyming. Cow, sow, not rhyming. Label, table, rhyming. Sky, my, rhyming. Play, obey, rhyming. Race, face, rhyming. Right, night, rhyming. So you have to color the rhyming words. As it is not clearly mentioned here, so I have given it in the assignment work. Do from that. Next one is, what do the following word describe in the poem? Joyful. What does it describe? About what the things it is describing? Joyful, sight. Little, little cart. Round, umbrella. So, what are the describing words used in the poem for the following? Dash, mounts. For mounts, cooling, brown, white. Flavor, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. And for cluster, thick. Fun time. Here are the flavors given in the boxes. According to that, you have to color it. Again, it is not properly viewing, so I have given this in the assignment work. So according to the flavor of the ice cream, you have to color it. Like chocolate, you have to color it with chocolate color. Vanilla, you have to color with white or cream. Orange, you have to color it with orange. Blackcurrant, you have to color it with purple, dark purple. Strawberry, you have to color it with pink, dark pink. Raspberry, you have to color it with I think light red maybe. Butterscotch, you have to color it with not exactly yellow, but for the butterscotch you can choose any one color. For pista also. Second one, draw and color your dream ice cream. You have to color it as you have made it earlier also. In the first assignment there was mentioned about draw and color your dream ice cream, so you have done it well. Many of the students have given the assignment in that they had made their dream ice cream, but many of the students have yet not given that, submitted their assignment. So third one, have you ever eaten kulfi, the ice cream from North India? Yeah, we have also written. The following sentences describes how it is served, but they are not in the correct order. Write the correct number before each sentence. Means you have to write the correct order for this. Okay. How Kulfi man is taking out, what are the things he is doing. So according to that you have to write the correct order before each sentences. Okay, dash, he scoops out the kulfi on a plate. I think this will be in the third one. He scoops out the kulfi on a plate. This will be the second one. Then he pours some sweet syrup over it and serve it. This will be the third one. The kulfi wala takes the kulfi mounts out of the picture. This will be the first one. And he arranged some faluda around it. This will be the last one, the fourth one. So here we end up all the things related to poem, exercises, everything. So now your work is go through the video, understand the poem, understand all question answers, exercises, go through that, study it well, and regularly do your assignments. Okay, that is only for you, and respect the teaching learning process, because we are giving assignment and for you only. Okay, if you will not do that assignment, it will become a meaningless teaching learning process, so respect it.